Welcome guys to another video. It's been a little over a month since I last posted, but been busy. Life's been kind of crazy, but I'm gonna be trying to be more consistent and try to use my time more wisely. Today I have something pretty cool for you guys. First things first is we're actually gonna install some grill mesh for the front bumper of the car. That's gonna be pretty nice, and it's actually gonna protect my intercooler because, as you guys can see, I got a lot of damage on that intercooler, right? And the more those grills start getting damaged and bent, the less effective the intercooler will be. So gonna be doing that. I also, while the bumper's off, I'm actually going to be fixing my hood gap. So as you guys know, the ends are notorious for freaking bumper sag, and my bumper is sagging way too much. So I'm actually going to be installing some really hard, solid foam, and I'll be showing you guys how I fix that and what you guys can do if your bumper starts sagging like mine does. Anyways, let's get to it. First thing you want to do, take off all the front clips. Boom, 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 boom. Then you're going to go underneath and take off your splash guard, and then when that's done, there's actually some 8mm bolts that are going to be underneath right here holding this side, and there's also going to be another one on this side. Okay, take 3. Okay, there we go, and then we just take this. Okay. All right, you guys. Front bumper is off. Let me show you guys the bolts that I forgot to take off. So right here, this is gonna be a 10 mil. You're gonna have to take off. And on this side, and I also forgot the actual fender liner little clips that hold it in place. So you'll actually need to do that as well. But that's it for bumper, for taking off the bumper, and let's get to actually trying to see how we can get this mesh and the foam to sit properly. So I pretty much have a picture that I found online that somebody did. I don't know if you guys can see that, but pretty much what they did is they got some foam pads, stuck it in a certain area to help the bumper not sag. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna copy this, and yeah. All right, so pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm actually just securing the foam padding with a zip tie, and I'm gonna put actually, I think one more, like maybe here in the center. Actually just make sure that the adhesive doesn't come off or unstick, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done, and then we're gonna go straight to trying to fit the mesh. Okay, so pretty much that's how it's gonna look. Dude, this is actually pretty sweet, and it's pretty strong, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm trying to think how the heck I am going to make this work. Man, that front license plate is gonna be a pain in the butt, actually. Okay. Oh, okay, it just slides out. Oh, that's super easy. Okay. I thought it was gonna be actually a lot harder to take this off, but it's not. So, okay. I'm looking at more things here, guys. So, let's go ahead and just actually unplug the sensors. And that'll actually make it super easy for us to get back here. All right, about 30 minutes later, it's hard to find mounting points to actually mount this the right way without showing stuff. Let me show you guys. So what I had to do is pretty much zip tie down there, up here, and same thing on this, on the bottom and on the top. And then I actually used some corner existing holes there, and same thing on that side. And that's kind of how it came out. I think I'm gonna actually leave this. I don't know. I know I cut it over here on this side, but it's a little flimsy, so I'm thinking about actually putting on a zip tie right here just to hold it. For me, it's less about aesthetics and more about protecting the intercooler. So I don't really mind it. So I think that's just what I'm gonna do. Just put it in the zip tie there and call it good. Okay, that's how it turned out. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this zip tie right here. It's a little too obvious, but the other ones are actually kind of hidden. That one and the one up top. So yeah, I mean, it's just for now. So I kind of dig it. It's actually not bad. I definitely gotta fix that one though.
Now what are you upgrading? Oh my god, dude. That poor car. It's gonna rocket launch itself one day. We're gonna see around flying in the sky, dude.
That's next on the list. Let me show you guys how it turned out. So actually, let me clear all this. Dutch Bros, dude. Can't live without Dutch Bros. Wow, that's a lot better. Look at that, guys. So that actually ended up working really well. Look at that. I say it's almost flush. Needs a little bit higher. But dude, look at that. It's pretty much gone. So what I was tripping about is that right here. That big old gap right there now. I wonder if just because the bumper is still saggy. And it's the same thing on this side. Like still, like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. But yeah. Let's take a look at the front mesh. Not too bad. I will fix that one day. I don't know when, but I will. But it looks freaking actually really good. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be posting more often. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking the videos so far. Big old freaking, oh hell no. Anyways, as I was saying, thank you guys for liking and subscribing the past videos that I've done. Really appreciate it. And there will be more. So hope you guys stick around. Peace.